In this video, we are going to discuss the best Shopify apps that you can use to sell digital products on your Shopify website easily and quickly. The first, of course, is digital downloads. This is the standard free app that Shopify offers to sell digital products in your store. This app allows you to attach files to your products, so you have a link to your digital attachments. The customers get the file instantly, and it automatically sends updates when your file is updated. This is a great app. There are some problems with it, of course, so you'll see the ratings don't always show a 5-star review, but it is a free app, and overall this has a 3.2 star rating. It's pretty good if you want to sell digital products, but it can get complicated if you have more complicated digital products rather than just straight PDFs or one file size or type. The next app is SendOwl. SendOwl actually has their own platform and product offering for selling digital products, and they also have an app on the Shopify App Store to help you sell digital products and files in your Shopify store. So they also create an instant and automatic delivery. It is a company you can trust because they are a company that does this on their own outside of Shopify as well and have full-time employees. And they've helped over 8 million orders get delivered on Shopify, which is a lot of digital products. SendOwl is not a free app, so it is $9 a month currently, but you do get a lot more support. They do have a lot more features than the free digital downloads app, and they are quite a fast and reliable option if you do use this. They also have some really nice features like drip content, so you can send parts of products over time. There are multiple different levels of pricing, so you get a 30-day free trial, but then there is $9, $15, $24, and $39 a month plans based on what you need in your shop and how much storage you need, which is a big concern when you are selling digital products because it will take storage, and a lot of storage if you're having big file sizes. SendOwl does have a higher overall rating, 3.9. There are a lot more 5-star reviews. There are more 1-star reviews that bring it down, but overall, most people that use this are pretty happy with it, and it does function well. The next app for selling digital downloads on Shopify is called Single Music, and this is the best if you are selling music because it is designed specifically for that. So it gives you the option to do downloads, pre-orders, bundles, singles. There are so many options, and this one is a free app, which is even better if you are a musician trying to sell your music. It gives you a lot of options and you aren't paying extra. So you can do digital downloads. You can also submit your sales to SoundScan and get chart reporting. You can do upscale campaigns. So if you're a musician that is touring or has merch, you can suggest that if anyone is buying your music. Honestly, the ability to do digital downloads of your songs combined with physical merch is one of the best things I think about this app, since I know a lot of musicians do use merch and that fan base of purchasing products to really make their money. So this is a great option if you're selling music. Again, it's free to install, and the overall rating is 4.4 stars out of 5, which is really, really good for a Shopify app. Of course, you're going to have people that have the 1-star reviews, but overall the feeling about this app is really positive when you're selling digital downloads as music. The next app is Thinkific, and this is specifically for online courses, which are a digital product. It is a huge digital product type in its own industry as well. Thinkific has a free plan available for Shopify stores that gives you the option to sell courses in your Shopify store. So you can earn money for your knowledge, increase customer loyalty, grow your audience, and create courses that make you money, and you can sell them on your own website without having to use another platform if you're already comfortable and happy with Shopify. This is a great option if you're already selling digital products on Shopify and you want to add a course, or if you want to add any kind of educational component to an existing business. If you're selling skincare or fitness equipment or anything like that and you want a course to be your digital product offering in your shop, I would highly recommend trying this Thinkific app. There is a free one, which gives you 3 courses, unlimited students, quizzes, surveys, a ton of stuff actually for a free plan. Then if that free plan is kind of hitting its limit for you, there are $49 a month, $99 a month, and $499 a month options if you are going to do huge course options and do multiple courses. The overall rating for this app is actually really good. It's 4.3 out of 5 stars, and there are not really any 1-star reviews, and they actually also have developers in there replying to reviews and talking about the issues. So it's something they work on often. It's highly recommended. The next one is Fetch app, and this is one of the simpler ways to do digital downloads. I am working on a review of this for the channel, but it is a great option from the initial plays that I've done with it. It is free to install, is very, very flexible, so you can do multiple different file types and you can do multiple files to a single project, which is one of the harder things to do with the free digital downloads app. Then there's easy order management. There are no commission fees. It's basically free, and there are some low monthly fees if you need storage beyond what their free plan offers. But it's overall a really great option, and it can grow with your business if you're planning to start small and then grow over time, adding multiple files and adding and creating and editing different products. There are a lot of options, especially once you get bigger and add products to your shop. And if you are interested, the pricing here does start with a free plan, like I said, but it does limit your orders to 25 per day. So when you're very small, this is a great option. And then of course you can grow to a $5 a month plan, $10 a month plan, or so on as you need more storage and you have more orders. This has the best reviews of any app I have seen, and it is really simple to set up and use. So I will do a tutorial on it soon, but it's a really great option on Shopify. The next best app is SkyPilot. It is also a very highly rated free plan available option if you are selling digital downloads. It is also the best one that I have seen for doing anything that is streaming. So you can sell files and you can sell videos, but you can also do streaming videos, which is not that simple with some of the other apps. So if you're doing any sort of streaming and want a simple delivery with all of your branding and stuff tied in, this might be the best option. SkyPilot has made it very simple, especially to do videos and streaming videos. So if that is what you need, then this is the best option. It does start with a free plan, and that does give you some storage, but of course video can have crazy high storage needs, so you probably will have to upgrade pretty quickly. They do have $15 a month, $30 a month, and $75 a month plans. For the streaming, they do use Vimeo integration, so if you're already using that, that's also a great option. And then of course, looking at the reviews, they have a basically 5-star rating. They do have a couple negative reviews, but it's so few that it really has not dropped down their rating, because people selling videos as a digital product have found this to be one of the best options. So the next one is Bold memberships. And there are a lot of ways to do membership sites for digital products for passive income on other sites, but for Shopify, I found that this one is probably the best option, and it is not a free app, but you can show and hide member content as you need. You sell the memberships to your site. You have different tier options. It gives you a lot of the same things that people use on other platforms to do membership sites. So it's all of that just built into your Shopify site where you already have a store set up. There are a lot of really great benefits of doing recurring memberships, and it keeps your income steady. So there are a lot of reasons why a lot of people have moved toward the membership model, and this is a great Shopify app to make that happen for you if it fits your business. One nice thing about this app is it does allow you to do one-time or membership recurring billing. So there are different options for the content that you're creating. And for this service overall, you're only paying $9.99 a month for everything that they offer. It has a 4.5 out of 5-star rating, and reading the comments, you see happy and unhappy customers, which honestly is very similar to every other membership type platform that I've looked at, because I've looked at doing my own membership site, and it can be hard to find the right fit. So keep that in mind when you're setting this up, but it's probably the best one on Shopify. There are so many different options on Shopify for digital products and how to sell them. So if one of these does not fit your style, you can look and find others. There are hundreds and hundreds of options and new ones all the time, because there are developers working on new apps for the Shopify store. So if you don't see one that fits you, or you need something more, you can always look around for more options. These are just the ones that I found to be the best and have been highly rated and recommended by everyone I know that sells on Shopify. If you haven't started yet, I will leave my link to Shopify below. You can use that affiliate link for a 14-day free trial and try out any of these apps to sell digital downloads.